Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this one I will show you how to customize product page on Wix. So first of all, on Wix.com, make sure to create an account and log in. After that, press on Edit Site. From the Setup or a Home screen, you'll be taken to this page, and in here you want to go to Pages and Menu. After that, Store Pages and Product Page. You can close this out, this panel, and now as you can see we are taken in our test store, so this is going to be our product page. And in here you can do all sorts of customization. So in here you can do many things. You can customize text, buttons, images, product descriptions. You've got a lot of customization options in here, and basically to do any of those things you basically need to click on Quick Edit. Or you can also press on the More Actions. You can, for example, quick edit from here. You can also edit the sections layouts. Section settings are available. You can change the background if you want. For example, if I change the background, so this background, this gray background is going to be changed now. So for example, let's scroll down and use this mountain. And as you can see, then it now looks good. Of course, it doesn't fit with the color and shape of our text, so it's, as you can see, it blends in. So from here you will basically need to, of course, experiment and figure out what works best for you. And the other things we can do here is, of course, let's do the quick edit. And in here you can change the layout, for example. You can change the content. And of course with your mouse you can drag your height to change the side of your product page. So this is going to be our header. You can change it as well. You can adjust the header height if you want. You can also rename this section. For example, click here, and instead of product page, type in products, for example, like that. Now go back. And of course, you can also click on Manage Products in order to, of course, edit, add or remove or modify any products you already have added into your product page. For example, I have a skateboard. This is just a sample products. So we have a skateboard, for example. We can go to the three dots, edit products. We can, of course, upload different pictures of it. If you want to swap or just add some more, so you click on here and upload the image or a video. You can, of course, rename it in any way you like. You can add the ribbon, for example, hot or a discount, whatever you want. Of course, you can add a description as well. Now you can set a price. So we have different pricing settings as well. You can set it to be on sale. You can set a discount, cost of goods. You can add a custom text field if you want more customization. You can also edit the status, which is in stock or out of stock, shipping weight, pre-order, and a subscription. And this is how you customize basically your single product page. And that's basically how it's done, guys. And after you've made your changes, of course, everything will be modified and the changes will be applied. Just don't forget to press preview first before you actually publish, because preview will allow you to actually see what your website will look like before publishing the changes. Because if you already purchased a domain and it's already registered, if you press publish, all of the changes will be actually live, and any person that logs in into your website will see the updated version of your website. So just be sure to edit everything properly, do not mess anything up, and then press publish, and you're basically done. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helps you. If it did, don't forget to support our channel by subscribing, leaving a comment, liking the video, and I'll see you very soon.